Hi, everybody. Mrs. Bailey here again, coming to you from the virtual classroom of my dining room. Now, today we're going to be learning about range, mean, median, and mode. Actually, that's what we're going to be learning about this week. We're only going to do range and mean today. What we have here is a list of test scores, their history test scores. There are 7 of them. And we're going to get the range today, and we're going to figure out the mean today. Now, the first thing that you need to do is put those in order from least to greatest. And just to save time, I went ahead and put those in order before I started the video. So we have a 60%, a 60%, 75, 83, 90, 92, and then 100%. Now, to get the range, you're getting the difference between the smallest amount and the largest amount. And the difference, means that you have to subtract. So if you say 100 minus 60, the range is going to be 40. You have a range of 40 with these test scores. Now, the mean, to get that, you are just getting the average. It is the average of the test scores. Another way of writing it is called the fair share. So if somebody wants to know what the fair share of something is, they want you to get the mean or they want you to get the average. And this is actually how we figure out your grades. So if you want to know the average of these test scores, what you're going to have to do is add all of the test scores up, and it doesn't make any difference what order you add it up in, because the commutative property says that you're still going to get the same answer no matter what order you add them up in. Same with multiplication. So I'll just go ahead and write them down in the order that they are. We have 60, 60, 75, 83, 90, 92, and 100. Okay, so if we add these up, we're going to end up with 10, carry the 1. And if I add these up, I'll have 7. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 7 is 20. 28, 37, 46. Put down my 6, carry my 4. And 4 and 1 is 5. So when I added them up, I got 560. And I'm actually going to move this back a little bit because it looks like you're not able to see it very well. 560. Now I have to divide that by however many there are. Remember what I said? I said that there were 7 of them. So I'm going to say 560 divided by 7. And I can do my mental math. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And this 0 comes over. And so your mean is an 80 or an 80%. That's your average. That's your mean. That's your fair share. Okay, on the next video, we're going to do median and mode. So one more time, just to review. The range is the difference between the biggest number and the smallest number when you put the numbers in order. The mean is the average or the fair share. You simply add up the numbers and divide it by however many numbers you have. And let me see how much time I've got left on this thing. Let me do another one real quickly for you. And I'll make it really easy. Let's do 6 and 4. And let's do 2. Those are simple numbers. To get the range, we put it in order. We have a 2, a 4, and a 6. And then we subtract 6 and 2. And so the range for those 3 numbers is going to be, actually it's going to be 4. And then if you want to get the mean, we add up those 3 numbers, which we can do that mentally. That gives us 12. And 12 divided by however many there are, 3, that equals 4 as well. So your range and your mean end up happening to be the same. And I'm running out of time, so I will ask you to go ahead and click on the next video. See you in a minute.